Welcome back, folks. Picked up a new toy over the weekend. Something I've been contemplating on getting for a while, and I finally found one for the right price. So I'll show you what I got. Found this gem on Marketplace. Manufacturer's Puma. They're actually made down in Tennessee. They are made in USA. This one has a 13 horse Honda on it, electric start. It's a 2-stage compressor. At 40 psi, it's 24.5 CFM, I believe. And at 90 psi, it is 23 CFM. And that is a 100% duty cycle. As you can tell, it's missing a couple of necessities. Carburetor, airbox, exhaust. The exhaust is actually broken off, so I think this had a nasty fall somewhere in its life. What do we got here? Manufactured 2011. So it's only 12 years old. And for whatever reason, somebody tried painting it this gaudy silver, or a bucket exploded. One of the two. Most of the stuff is here. It's obviously missing the recoil, carburetor, airbox, muffler. I can get all that fairly cheaply offline. And once I confirm that this does run, we'll do some other much needed maintenance. Yeah, like I said, I think this thing had a fall from grace. Go back on there. There. So I'm going to be working on this for the next couple of weeks, off and on, as time, funds, and weather allows. I mean, it's almost 55 degrees out today, which is awesome. So this is what I've got in store after the 88K 1500 leaves. I do want to announce the Super Clean giveaway winner. It was fairly easy to pick because they were the only ones to comment down in the comments. Super Clean giveaway. So if that is you, go ahead and give me an email. Email's in the About section of my channel, and I will put you in touch with Super Clean. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the rest of 2023 and see what 24 can bring. Thanks for watching.